Namaste everyone, I am Srishti Aswal. I am a yoga practitioner and a trainer, and today I am going to answer a few questions by Micro Bazaar. So my first question is, why is fitness important for a woman? So I think that regardless of a man or a woman, fitness is equally important for both the genders, because nowadays we all go through a lot of stress and workload, which may lead to various health issues and diseases, and exercising can actually help us get rid of that stress, and it also helps us in releasing happy hormones in our body. It strengthens our body internally and externally, and helps us get rid of those toxins in our body through sweat. Especially in women, we have seen a lot of women go through PCOS and PCOD, and exercising can actually help us balance our hormones, which is actually the cure of a lot of diseases nowadays. My second question is, fitness is only about the beauty, or is it much more about our physical health? Alright, so staying fit is not equal to looking beautiful or skinny or having that perfect body shape. Fitness is all about leading a healthy lifestyle, which consists of a healthy diet, lots of water, drinking lots of water, sleeping on time, waking up on time, working when you need to work, and of course exercising regularly. It's all about having a disease-free life, and I don't think that we need six-pack abs or that perfect ideal body figure to have this kind of lifestyle and to have a disease-free life. So my third question is, why do you think women have to take care of themselves and take some time for fitness? Okay, so fitness, as I said, is very important for everyone, and especially in a traditional Indian family, a woman has a really important role, be it as a mother, a sister, a daughter, or a wife, and how stressful their lives can be. Exercising can actually relieve them from stress, and I'd like to say to all the women out there that take some time off for yourself, exercise daily, take care of yourself, lead a healthy lifestyle, and if you are healthy, your family will stay healthy, and everyone will stay happy. So my next question is, how did you think of being a fitness motivator? Okay, so truth be told, I never consider myself as a fitness motivator. I'm just a regular yoga practitioner who is trying to connect with herself, trying to lead a healthy lifestyle, and that's it. Last question is there any scope for other women to be a fitness motivator, or can they earn being a fitness motivator? Okay, so if I can be a fitness motivator, I guess you all can be, so there is no question about that. Secondly, the fitness industry is growing day by day, and as you all know that everybody wants to stay fit, so this is a really great opportunity for all the women out there to at least give fitness industry a try and get into it, learn few things about it, try to teach other people, and voila, you are a fitness motivator. So that's it for the questions, and I would really like to thank Micro Bazaar for giving me the opportunity, and you guys are doing a really great job, and this is a really great initiative to empower all the women out there. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I go by the name The Quiet Yogi, and thank you.